Hey YouTube, today we're going to be reviewing the car vacuum, the This Works vacuum, or This Works For vacuum. I'm not sure if the company name is This Works For. Not to be confused for the Works company that actually makes power tools as well. This one is found on Amazon. It's a great product for your car. It's very mobile. As you can see, it has a great caddy. It comes with a hose, a little detail brush, an expert HEPA filter, brush adapter, and of course the vacuum itself. And the vacuum is actually pretty compact. Up front, it's no wider than 4 inches. It's about 13.5 inches long, and the handle is about a 4-inch wide handles. The one thing I like about this is it has a car adapter, so you're not looking for a plug. It plugs right into the cigarette lighter. It's perfect. The cord is long enough to cover an SUV, even a van. It's perfect. I'm going to do a quick demonstration just to show its suction power. I would say, honestly, it's not as good as a commercial vacuum, but again, this is just a relatively cheap vacuum, and I think it does the job pretty good. This is just where my child sits, and there's just loose debris and some stuck debris. I tried actually using the vacuum without the brush attachment, and realizing that the brush attachment is critical. You do want to use that brush attachment. I didn't go crazy cleaning up this area. I only spent about a minute of time on this part of my vehicle, and I think it did a pretty good job for, you know, what this vacuum can do. Again, it's just not a commercial vacuum. It's just a portable vacuum. Does a decent job, as you can see in the before and after shots here. One of the things that I like about it is just it's so easy to use. I can simply just, once I'm done, and let me show you what it picked up, I can dump it all out, and it actually sucks pretty well. Inside all this debris, I like to brush off the filter just to, you know, keep it clean and keep it high performing later on. But anyhow, when you actually look at what it picks up, I mean, there's some candy in there. It actually sucked up a penny, which is pretty crazy. So it's got a decent amount of suction for a little portable vacuum. The best part about this thing, though, as well, is just that you just toss it all back in the caddy and put it back in your vehicle, and you're on your way. I think it's a great vacuum to have for your vehicle. You got to have something to clean your car, whether you're going to the car wash or you're doing it on your own. This little mobile gadget is really good to have on the fly. As always, this is offered on Amazon, and for the price, you aren't going to beat a vacuum that's mobile and just really easy to use. Again, you're not dealing with any cords. It's all inclusive in your car. You're not opening the door to access a plug. This thing's perfect. Please make sure to like and subscribe our videos, as we're a growing channel. It certainly helps out. Check out the links below for the product on Amazon, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.